there, gorgeous. It's such a joy to see you. I hope you're having a great day. This video is all about the top 5 pore filling makeup products that I have discovered. Now, you know I have big pores. Is a given. And from everything I've read scientifically, there's nothing really you can do about it. Some people will tell you you can shrink your pores if you do this. There's been a lot of hacks that talk about making your pores smaller, but realistically, scientifically, you get what you get and that's what you got. But there are some amazing pore fillers that you can use to help minimize their appearance. The first one that I love, this has been out for years and years, and it's amazing, is from Maybelline. It's their Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I'm surprised they haven't discontinued this one simply because it's been around so long and I'm waiting for the day that they will. But I hope they don't because it's so amazing. A little bit goes a long way. It is clear, but you can see it just blurs everything. And usually when I apply pore filling products like this, by the way, they go on before my primer. So it's usually one of the first things I will apply after I've done my complete skincare regimen. So if you're wondering how the order goes with these, that's how I do it. The next one that I swear by and I love, is from Dr. Brandt. And this is the Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. This is a primer and a pore filler in one, but I usually will use it just solely as a pore filler because it looks great. And this is another one that I like to wear all by itself. There are days when I just go makeup free, or at least, you know, you think I'm makeup free, but then I'll just use this as a bit of a pore filler on those days, and it gives me a confidence boost. This next one is also a primer, but it specifically is designed to fill in your pores, and it's from Milani. It's their No Pore Zone Mattifying Primer. Not only does this disguise your pores instantly, beautifully, it's clear. It's got a lightweight, silky texture. It does have a matte finish. And it wears really well underneath makeup too. It does help to minimize shine and control oil on the skin. So you get 2 in 1 there. And that's another one that I can wear all by itself too, with nothing on over the top of it. And it disguises the largeness of the pores, but still looks great on naked, bare skin. Let's see, there was another one. Oh, the NYX one. Okay, the Pore Filler Targeted Sticks. This is just a simple makeup stick. Not much to it. And you rub it on the skin, everything disappears. It's like an eraser for your face. I didn't think this one would work as well as it does when I first tried it. I was very skeptical about it, but at the price point and the results that you get, it is one of the best pore blurring products on the market. Another one that I want to share with you is from Ulta Beauty, and that's the Poreless Face Primer. I bought this specifically for the primer portion of the product, but I was simply amazed at how well it disguised the pores on my skin. And it is clear, it's very silky, it's very lightweight, you can't feel it on the skin, and it does a beautiful job of not only blurring the pores, minimizing their appearance, but also helping your makeup stay in place all day long. The 2 others that I wanted to mention that are not necessarily marketed as being pore filler makeup products, they're more primers, but they also fill in your pores beautifully. First one being from Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. If you have drier, more mature skin, this is one of those excellent makeup products to apply before you apply any makeup on your face. Not only will it help to disguise pores, but it is so hydrating on the skin. It feels lovely and it gives a smooth, even appearance to your skin. It's one of my absolute favorites. I am the type that will buy samples of everything, not necessarily buy. I get them when I order stuff from Sephora and whatnot. I specifically look for samples, and I usually don't buy the full size. But if I were going to buy the full size of any products, it would be the Tatcha Silk Canvas because it is that good. The other one that I would buy the full size of, but I have been trying a sample of it for a while and I really love it, is from One Size, and that's the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. This is another one that is an excellent primer, holds everything intact all day long, but the blurring effect that it has on the skin after the initial application is simply divine. Look at this! Ah, it's gorgeous. And by the way, none of the products that I shared with you here today have a scent to them. They are unscented. You won't smell any funky, flowery, fake cake smell when you apply them, which I really appreciate. I mean, we shouldn't be putting scents in pore filling products anyway, but I digress. The other one that I would recommend that I've used in the past that is equally as great as all the ones I have here is the Benefit Porefessional. I know that's one of the most popular pore filling makeup products out there, and I used it for many years before using the ones that I have here. I just don't have it here to show you because I used it up and I haven't replaced it. But if you're looking for another one to try, I would highly recommend that one too. Let me know if you've tried any of these or what your most favorite makeup product is for blurring and disguising the pores. And if you're interested in any of these, all of them will be listed and linked for you below in the description box. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch. I speak love, peace, and joy into you and into your home, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.